Welcome back. We are learning about Apex programming language in Salesforce, and in the last video we have learned about a list or set iteration loops, and in this video we will learn about while loops. So what are while loops? So while loop repeatedly executes a block of code as long as a particular condition remains true, and it is same as for loops but with different syntax. So for that, the syntax is the keyword while, and here in these brackets you have to write the condition till that the loop will execute the statements inside that loop, and after that it will when the condition becomes false, the loop will stop executing. So the part of code from line number 4 to 6 will execute whenever the condition is true inside those brackets, and will stop executing when the condition becomes false. So let's do one thing again. Let's print integer from 1 to 10 using while loops. So first of all we have to initialize a value, so it will be equals to 1. Now we have to put a condition when we want to stop the loop. So we want to stop the loop when I becomes 11. So we want to print I from 1 to 10, so it will stop whenever I becomes 11, and for that we have to also change the value of I so that it can reach 11. So we will change it here, and let's print the values. I equals to plus I, and let's execute. And here you can see in the debug log the values of I are printed from 1 to 10. So that's it in while loops. They are very much similar to for loops. The conditions which we write in for loop is in one line, and here the structure of for loop is written in one line, and in while loop the structure breaks. So first of all we have to write the initializing statement, then we have to write the condition at which we want to stop the loop, and inside that we want to write the code which we want to repeat again and again, and the values which will change the value of the variable itself. So that's it in this video. In the next video we will learn about do while loop, and there is a small difference between a do while loop and a while loop. Thank you very much.